Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about the CRM implementation planning strategy. And talking about the CRM implementation plan and strategy, the deliberates develop of a consumer relationship management system is essential step in enhance consumer engagement, optimizing operational platform and for decision making. It also emphasize the ethical use of consumer information and privacy precaution in order to uphold consumer confidence and other essential importance. And CRM is important in every aspect of business outcome, and it plays a vital role in the business. And talking about next slide, budget allocation and system selection. Budget is necessary for each and every aspect of our life, for allocating resources, for making plans for the financial statement, and so on. The budget provide CRM installation include a number of costs including a software license, customization, training data transfer, and so on. And CRM provide the system the ideal solution that fits the needs and objective of the company will deserve. Talking about the next slide, management of change and training. A complement training program will develop the staff skill and which help in CRM system. The training session will cover system function, best practical knowledge, and give the proper outcome for the staff. Talking about the next slide, cleansing and conversion of data. It is important to correctly transfer existing CRM data to the new system in order to preserve historical record and ensure a seamless transaction. Following a data extraction, transformation, and loading ETL effort will be made to thoroughly clean the data. The goal of cleansing procedure is to get rid of duplicates, mistake, and other essential data. And talking about the next slide, transactional difficulties to anticipate. Uh, to deal with this issue and swift handle questionnaire and technical difficulties, specialist support team will be established. Proactive chance management strategy will also be applied in order to forecast a positive outlook among a personnel towards the implementing chance. Talking about the next slide, system evaluation and performance testing. The function, security, and seamless integration of the CRM system with the existing system will be thoroughly tested before to a full scale implementation. Strict testing procedures will be used to evaluate the performance of the system, the accuracy of the data, the user experience, and the response to ensure that the system function and anticipated modification will be made depending on the testing input. Talking about the next slide, ongoing improvement reporting. With the CRM system configurable report option, stakeholders will have intense access to data on important platform indicates consumer interaction and sales trends. This report will be decision makers to highlight possible growth opportunity and increasing productivity so that they can make well informed decision. Regular reporting will be done in order to evaluate the system effectiveness and make any essential improvement to the plans. Talking about the next slide, approval of the board of director and executive team. The details implementation plan will be sent to board of directors and executive teams for their assessment and approval to full extension. The presentation will include a thoroughly summary of the project, including advantage of budgetary breakdown, risks mitigation techniques, and ethical data management guideline. There will be through Q&A session to the answer and worries. Talking about next, ethical use of consumer data and respect of the privacy. Consumer play the vital role in the business world. Uh, Complying with the law is one aspect of ethical information consumption. Companies are realizing that consumers prefer them to limit the quantity of the data they gather and what they do with it. This includes their corporate employees as well. Data protection goal beyond only avoiding data breakdown. Some companies are abuse consumer information for internal resource without ever informing the client. And last is conclusion. The CRM implementation plan outlined through and systematic approach to ensure the new system is integrated perfectly by addressing training requirement, budget allocation, data transfer, potential barrier system, testing, reporting, consumer training, and ethical concern. We are ready to fulfill, utilize the CRM with placing and emphasize on consumer privacy and data security. And talking of the reference, I have took the reference for to make this project, and the reference says helped me a lot during the project. Thank you.